Hello my friends, how are you? I hope you are all best. Welcome to my channel and this is my content. My topic today about which I defined. My topic is about stable coin. What is stable coin? I am completely fine about it. But first of all, if you are new my channel, so also please subscribe my channel, press the bell icon so I am start my topic. Stable coin. A stable coin is the type of cryptocurrency where the value of the digital asset is supposed to the budget to a reference asset which is either fiat money, exchange traded or commodities such as precious metals or industrial metals or another cryptocurrency. In theory, 1:1 backing by a reference asset could make a stablecoin value track the value of the PEG and not the subject of the radical change in volume. In value common in the market for many digital assets in practice. Our stablecoin issuers have yet to be proven to maintain adequate reserves to support a stable value, and there have been a number of failures with the investors losing the entirety of the fiat currency value of their holdings. Background stablecoins have several purported purposes. They can be used for payments and are more likely to retain value and then highly volatile cryptocurrencies. In practice, many stablecoins have failed to retain their stable value. Background stablecoins have several purported purposes. They can be used for payments and are more likely to retain value than high volatile cryptocurrency. In practice, many stablecoins have failed to retain their stable value. Stablecoins are typically non-interest bearing and therefore do not provide interest returns to the holder. Reverse backed stable coins. Reverse backed stablecoins are data sets that are stabilized by other sets. Furthermore, such coins, assuming they are managed in good faith and have a mechanism for redeeming, and the sets backing them are unlikely to drop below the value of the underlying physical asset due to arbitrage. However, in practice, few, if any, stablecoins meet these assumptions. Backed stablecoins are subject to the same volatility and risk associated with the backing asset. If the backed stablecoin is backed in the decentralized manner, they are relatively safe from predation. But if there is a central wallet, if it may be robbed or suffer loss of confidence. Fiat backed. The value of stablecoins of this type is based on the value of the backing cryptocurrency, which is held by a third party regulation financial entity. Fiat backed stablecoins can be traded on exchange and are redeemable from the issuer. The stability of the stablecoin is infrastructure required by the regulator. In the setting, the trust is the custodian of the backing assets and makes exchange of stablecoin is likely lose value and become worthless. The most popular stablecoin is Tether, to be backed by the fiat currency. This was proven to the untrue, and Tether was fined $41 million by the Commodity Futures Trading Commission for deceiving consumers. Their Tether only had enough fiat reserve by guarantee 27.6% of their stablecoin. Nevertheless, Tether still remains widely used. Cryptocurrencies backed by fiat currency are the most common and were the first type of stablecoins on the market. The value is pegged to one or more currencies, most commonly the US dollar, the euro, and Swiss franc in a fixed ratio. The value connection is relied off-chain through banks or the other types of regulated financial institutions which serve as the depositories of the currency used to back the stablecoin. So friends, for my topic today about stablecoin. If you like, also please subscribe my channel, press the bell icon so know I am go to my new topic. Take care, Allah Hafiz. We will meet our next new topics. Take care, Allah Hafiz.